said Bangla.
He said Bangla, sir.
Yes, he said Bangla. Why? You just answer me. You just answer me.
I don't know. I don't know what's the Bangla meaning of boss.
You just say it.
No, I don't know, brother. Why
You have to have 5 minutes. Tell the answer.
What's the name of his life?
After you come to the
Say the answer. Say the answer. Say the answer.
something about you. Village.
What
Right. Tell me. Can you tell me some important person in your village?
How you know?
What is the
What you doing?
Bangla of money?
What you doing? What's in
My father is
My mother is a homemaker.
my father is yes.
Tell me one thing in Bangla.
Very nice. Now my father is in
He asked me.
What? Let him say.
সে বলছে কি 1 থেকে 10 পর্যন্ত বাংলায় বলতে
Why are you speaking Bangla? He can say anything. Then you can say, I can speak English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done.
now
Yes, I mean one thing in Bangla.
So why are you telling me this?
So he's finished. I win.
He said Bangla?
Yes, sir.
He is the loser. Okay, everybody clap for Arab. Clap for Arab.
Sir, he said Bangla.
He said Bangla, sir.
Yes, he said Bangla.
Yes. You said, oh my goodness. Pizog is the winner. Clap for Pizog. Clap for Pizog. My goodness, I can believe it. Pizog is the winner. How is this possible?
Okay. And sir, can I speak now Bangla?
He all trick me.
You can
Sir,
speak
wait, he
English.
all trick me. This is a cook.
No. Sir,
Sir, he said Bangla.
say the Bangla.
He said cook.
Then he's ask me the question. I asked the question, then he tried the English, but he don't remember. And he say Bangla.
Again, clap for Pizog. Again, clap for Pizog. Nice.